Espresso is the fundamental ingredient to every coffee beverage we love, so it has to be good. With your Beanz subscription, you're getting incredible coffees with every delivery, and they need to be dialed in to get the best flavours possible. Hi, I'm from Mecca Coffee. We're a Sydney-based roaster, almost clocking up 20 years in the business, sourcing, roasting, and brewing coffees. Let's dial in House Blend on the Barista Express Impress. Now, assuming you've selected the double filter button and placed the single wall double shot basket in the portafilter, we're at the same starting point. Here's what my bar setup looks like from accessories to placement. Pause here if you need a minute to set yourself up for the brew along. At minimum, grab a dry towel. House Blend is what we serve at our cafe/roastery in Alexandria, boasting notes of milk chocolate, orange, and honeycomb. My grinder is set to a 20 and yours may be different, and that's okay. Don't worry about that, we'll get to adjustments a little bit later. Remove the portafilter and just dry and wipe it out. This grinder has a tamp assist system. This machine takes the guesswork out of dosing, and the tamp assist reduces the mess. Insert the portafilter into the grinder cradle. Press the dose button and purge the brew group for 2 seconds just to refresh the system. My brew recipe is 18 grams of freshly ground coffee. We are going for 28 to 30 seconds of brew time, and that will yield 38.5 grams of espresso. Alright, let's tamp this coffee. The green light indicates I have the right amount of coffee. Let's give it one more tamp to polish, and there you have it. Alright, wipe the edges of the basket and just get rid of any of the coffee grounds that might be up there. Insert the portafilter into the brew group and press the double cup button. We're going to start at low pressure, that's called pre-infusion, and go to high pressure. This is to ensure total sweetness in the extraction. Those first few drops look great. We're getting all the caffeine at this point, moving into some of those sugars. And finishing up, this is beautiful. Okay, give it a little spin. Look at that crema, it's looking delicious. House Blend is what we serve at our cafe/roastery in Alexandria, boasting notes of milk chocolate, orange, and honeycomb. Did your shot look and taste like mine? The number one goal of adjusting the grind is to either slow down or speed up the flow of water running through the coffee bed. Don't be afraid of this step, we can always adjust it back. If the water flow is too fast, the coffee may taste sour. Adjust the grind a couple of notches finer to slow down the water through the bed. If the flow is too slow, the coffee could taste bitter or roasty. Adjust the grind a couple of notches coarser to speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed. Over time, all these steps will become second nature, and you'll go from having good coffee sometimes to great coffee every time. Explore all our curated specialty coffees at beanz.com by Breville.